everybody, how y'all doing today? I'm at the Freight House in Hartselle, Alabama. Special today's country fried steak with white gravy, 2 sides, and key lime pie. So President-elect William Howard Taft was here in 1909. There's the restrooms and the back room, which is reserved on special occasions. See the railroad tracks right over here. Hopefully we'll get lucky and a train will come through at some point during their lunch.
There's a fried pickle.
Delicious, not too hot. Really good. Well, they're hot, but not burning. And the special has arrived. Country fried steak with onion straws and homemade potato chips. Try a bite of the country fried steak. It's really thick bread in it. It's almost like fried chicken. I used to see like chicken fried steak advertised, and I always hated the thought of that. So a nice thick white gravy on it. It almost looks like melted cheese. Very good. Homemade chips, thin cut. Put a little bit of ranch on it. And some onion straws. Very good. Here's a historical placard. 3 hours required to accomplish heist. So it looks like there was a train heist here. There's the depot. And of course we just ate at the Freight House. So the Freight House was delicious. Really cool things to look at. Awesome food to eat. Highly recommended. I live it. I love it. I'm here for it.